like to point out three things here. First, of course, there is a lot of technological advancement, digitalization is happening, new investments are happening in how manufacturing should be done, lots of emphasis on clean energy that goes into manufacturing. From policy perspective, from government's perspective, I would like to add one more point to what all the panelists have said. The value of trust. The value of trust is very, very important, which probably we cannot put in terms of dollars and ROI, but value of trust is very, very important. The countries and societies and companies which develop trust, and that is not a single dimensional thing, that is a multidimensional thing. Trust in terms of, okay, if you are using clean energy with full conviction, that is trust. If you are making sure that you're going to meet your commitments, that's a normal contractual thing. But going beyond those normal contractual things and getting into uncertain circumstances, still meeting those commitments, that's trust. So trust is going to be a very big factor. The second very big factor which is going to be going forward is how we restructure the supply chains post all the disruptions that we have seen. And yes, there are ideas about nearshoring, friendshoring, all kind of stuff is there. But I think what is going to be more important is flexibility in the way we think, flexibility in the way we design our manufacturing processes, and lots of ability to rapidly adapt to new challenges. These two things will be very important going forward.